this. This tool, they built pyramids with this. Today we're gonna build concrete footings, plus the critical step you don't wanna miss. These are amazing. Now, to make sure that your posts are gonna line up absolutely perfectly on your tubes, what you're gonna do is I've just attached a screw right in the center of my beam here. And that is where my post is going to be. And right there is dead center on our concrete footing. It's a weight on a string. This right here is a Plumb Bob. Now, what is really helpful is that this is exactly plumb. It's a vertical line straight down to our footing. Fantastic. So simple, so easy, but let's follow this down and see where it goes. The first thing we want to check is that your Plumb Bob is centered up in your tube. This is a 12-inch tube, level, and it's 4 feet deep. So when it comes to concrete for your footings, you have to have a structural strength concrete. This is 66 pounds, and I think we have 460 some odd pounds to fill this footing. Tips as we go. We're gonna empty this out. I'm actually gonna grab my mask because this is really dusty. All right. So when I mix concrete like this, I get a trough. I wear the mask while the dust is up, yeah? Mix fast. Well, and I'm pretty happy with the consistency of this actually. All right, I'm happy with how this is mixing. This is a nice workable consistency, okay? To me, it's not too dry and it's not wet or soupy. So what I would say is it sounds moist without it being soupy, okay? That makes sense, yeah? Okay. Okay, you got 2 bags in there. That's 2 bags of concrete. Now I'm gonna get my 2x4. You're gonna go take your 2x4 and go up and down in your footing, and you're getting rid of any voids or air pockets in your concrete. It's a critical step. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. There we go. All the way down. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, that's a big 2x4. Look at how long that one is. You guys in the south, you're not gonna need one this big. More concrete. All you wanna do is just keep filling up your concrete form with your concrete. Get it in there. I'm just gonna maybe overfill this a bit. And we're looking for a nice level surface. Okay, I just have a masonry trowel here, and I'm just gonna press it down, filling out any voids in here. And I was rodding as we went to get rid of any air pockets. So there's different ways you can do this. You can grab a 2x4 if you want and screed, so it's level if you want. Okay, see all the excess? That's a lot of excess. I might have gone a little too overzealous, that's okay. There you go. If you have any voids, fill it in. There we go. So we got the tube is level. And I'm just using a regular old concrete trowel, mason trowel. You can get some fancy ones for finishing that will make this look absolutely beautiful if you want. And also too, you can taper this away. We have a big base plate that's gonna sit here, or a saddle. Some people like to taper it away along the edges. That is totally entirely up to you. Okay. It's like making a cake for all you guys that bake cakes. There you go. Gonna remind you guys, wear your respirator. Just had a guy on my crew here today talking about people in the concrete business hacking because they didn't wear respirators a long time ago. So do yourself a favor and wear a respirator, all right? You don't want to breathe this stuff in. It is not good for you, all right? And once that footing has a few days to set up, we're going to show you how to install our 6x6 posts. Why do I have this clamp here? It's all going to make sense. We'll see you in the next one, guys.